I think I had too much Hennessy, man. This Hennessy getting to me. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little smashed.
Oh my goodness, that looks
halal.
delicious. What?
It's halal.
Ona, please, advocate for me. Ona, please, I tell them to stop teasing me. Ona, please, I want to taste that. Please, Ona, why you stop ignoring me? Please, Ona, please, advocate for me.
Oh, shit.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Come on, guys.
Holy shit, a bird.
Oh God, it's got me.
Hey, get out of here. Bird.
You think a little circle's gonna save you here? Cat? No, fuck you.
We can do this all day.
We actually can't. We will die.
Oh shit. Hey, you still got Big Bob's number?
Yeah.
Give him a call ASAP.
You wanna play? Let's play. I can do this all day.
He's here.
Who's here? It's Big Bob.
Goddamn, on my day off.
Fuck's going on? That bird is trying to murder us.
What bird? That bird. Listen up, bird. If you don't leave, I'm gonna bite your fucking head off.
I'll see you all very soon. Alright, let's go, you little runs.
Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rap. For the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet.
White legend in my habitat. Aim a lot of stage like a latex. Fuck with
Buffy, you snore too damn loud. If you don't snore tonight, I promise I will bring you to the beach tomorrow. Deal?
Steve is taking his first baby steps. Look at him go.
Yo, what the fuck is up, Kyle?
You alright, bro?
Duke, do you want the ball?
Hey, it's food time. It's food. It's food time. Let's just dispense with the goddamn fun and games. Now get him baby something to eat, right? You see him in here. He ready to. There you go, baby. Enjoy, man. You a real piece of work for doing this boy like that.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh? That's what I was thinking too. But, what about you? Okay.